Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review and first impressions on some makeup brushes that I recently bought that I have been talking about in previous videos. If you haven't seen any of my recent videos, then go ahead and watch them. And I am going to be reviewing a couple of Jeffree Star lipsticks and then some Morphe brushes and then a little kit that I got from Tarte. So the two lipsticks that I got from Jeffree Star, they brought back Poinsettia, which is one of the limited editions, I think from Christmas, and it looks like this. It is freaking gorgeous. I actually have worn it already, and I've been eyeballing it since they came out with this color. And I'm super happy with it on how it looks. Look how gorgeous that is. It has like that metallic feel to it. And I recently, well today I actually ordered Candy Ass, so I'm really excited about that one because that one is like the same formula but like a pinkish, almost coral color. So I'm really excited about that. And then I also got Flamboyant. That one for you, and I actually have worn both of these already, and I already do have a couple lipsticks from Jeffree Star that I really do love. This is Flamboyant and this is Poinsettia, and they're both really gorgeous. I love them, I really do. So the makeup brushes that I did get from Morphe, they both came in these two little bags, a mesh bag, which is awesome. Like if you want to put your beauty blender in a mesh bag, it's actually perfect. You don't want to store it into something like this that is leather because you don't want it to like not be able to air out and dry properly. So I'm really happy I actually have a mesh bag. I have not gotten one yet. So I don't remember which came in which bags. Obviously I have been using the foundation brush, which I will be using again today. They are shedding a little bit because they're pretty new, and that's just what new brushes do, especially synthetic brushes. And it is this set, you get 3 face brushes and 3 eye brushes. So I have been using the foundation one and I will be using it today, and I really like it. I have a lot of foundation brushes like this that are very similar, and I love them to death. I think that they're all awesome. And I actually bought these 2 brush sets for at work whenever I am doing my clients, and I've already gotten to play with them whenever I was waiting for my couple sets to come in the mail on my clients for prom. And I actually really do like them. I don't remember exactly which brush sets they are, but I will be linking everything down below, all the details, how much it was, the website, and which exactly brush sets like it was, and like the names of them. They are both actually really good beginner brush sets to go ahead and get. And then went ahead and got this eye brush set, which is for your eyes, and it comes with 12 like this, and I've only used a couple of them so far. So I have tried out a couple of the brushes, I have tried out the lipsticks, but what I'm really gonna try out today is the Tarte little kit that they had actually like really great sale on. I didn't know about it because I don't really check my emails like that until my friend sent me the email, which was, it was from Tarte obviously, and I think it was $65. You got 7 products and a little beauty bag for $65. Everything was full size, and they actually like, okay, so whenever you clicked on, you know, the sale or whatever, you had like I think 5 options. Like you have 5 options for a bronzer, you have 5 options for eyeliner. So it's not like you actually got to go pick the products that you really would want, but they actually gave you pretty good variety and suggestions, and I actually got some stuff that I never would have picked up in the store if they didn't suggest it, and it was a great deal. Everything was full size and you get a bag along with it. Like, what the hell? And if I'm not mistaken, I think it was like a one-day thing. I love the bag. It is such a pretty bag. It has like all of those like really pretty colors. It is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what's in it. And as you can tell, it's pretty full. So this is the Spellbound Glow Rainbow Highlighter. It looks like that. So I'm gonna swatch this. I have not swatched anything. Like this Tarte I have not touched at all. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I'm trying to get a good, that's actually really pretty though. It's not crazy. It's not really vibrant like the actual rainbow highlighters that have been going around. All it has is like a really pale shade, the gold, the pinkish color, and then like this bluish lavender. But whenever you mix them or just swatch them all the way down, it creates like this coolish, almost like neutral, really pretty shade, in my opinion. It's not really insane. It's not really super like rainbowish, if you will, in my opinion. It did come with a couple samples. This one is the Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser, and I've actually been really intrigued. I don't know if it's just like the packaging, but I've been actually really intrigued in trying this line, so I'm really excited about that. Then they gave me the the Mermaid Skin H2O Serum, which I'm very intrigued with. So I will be definitely trying these out. I got the Best in Faux mascara, and it comes with 2 parts. Like, I've never tried a fiber mascara, so this will kind of be interesting, because I've always felt like with fiber mascaras, I don't know if it's depending on how much you apply the fibers or what, I feel like whenever I've seen other people use them, they always have like the fibers fall down throughout the day, and then they're like wiping them, and then it creates like black underneath their eyes. So I'm definitely very interested in trying these 2, and they look like this. So I'm assuming this is the first part, and then this is the second part, because this says it is the lash extending fibers, and this is saying that it is the mascara. So you would apply this, and then you apply this on top. So the next thing, it is called Surfer Girl. It is a lipstick. I don't think it's a matte lipstick at all. It looks like this. It's a really pretty summer color. They had other colors that were really pretty, but I really wanted to get something that was fun and that I could wear for like spring and summertime, and that I wouldn't just wear. Oh, that's really pigmented. It's extremely pigmented and it's really soft. I don't think it's a matte. It's the shade right here. It's really pretty. I think I'm gonna like it a lot. So they had other colors, but this one just really caught my eye. It just looked like something that I would personally actually wear more than a couple times, because I don't like to get lipsticks. Like, I'm not afraid to get lipsticks even if they're like out of my comfort zone, but I want to get something that I'm actually gonna want to wear. So the eyeliner I got, and I really love the packaging. It has a little cat. It's so cute, and it is the Bitten. Is called Bitten. by Tarte, and obviously it's in black, and it is just a like little sketch marker. Goes on like that. I really do like these types of eyeliners. So the last product I got was Do Not Be Afraid to Dazzle. And that's all it says. And it is a bronzer and a highlighter. I did already swatch these two. I got foundation. The top looks like this. It's pretty freaking cool. And this is the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation, and I picked out Fair Light Neutral. Ew, this is like a rubber feel. It's weird. Huh. It looks like that. It's really full coverage just with one swipe. I think I'm most excited to try out the foundation the most, honestly, because I feel like I'm gonna like everything else. But foundations are something I don't really buy a lot of, like high-end. So I'm really excited to try that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera and prime my eyes and do my eyes, and then once I'm ready for the eyeliner and the mascara, I will be right back.